So immediately after this has happened, it was clear that the department could not afford to repair all the affected schools, hence the partnership with UNICEF, with UNICEF, with PNG to ensure that we create speedily a teaching and learning environment, and our learners and our educators are not affected. So we had to define the standards and give it to UNICEF to say this is the norms and standard that we need to use, and so that our buildings comply with the regulations that are set.
Amazing, very impressive. And are you happy with what you were seeing today?
Yes, it's perfect. In fact, they exceeded our expectation. We knew that they were going to do a great job, but what is here is amazing. They've given us a new admin block, and they've promised to give us the computers and any other teaching and learning equipment that the school might require. So the building is just perfect. It meets all the standards. And the school, as you see, the learners, the community, the HGP are very happy with the final product.
Wow, interesting. So is this the end of SiyakhaKabusha program, or will more take place?
No, this is not the end. They are also doing schools under Umlazi district. They are doing some of the schools in this particular district, Pinetown, and they will continue to do schools that were affected by storm in July. In fact, they've started with the assessment. They are now in processes of getting the contractors to ensure that they restore the infrastructure that was destroyed. So UNICEF, NCT and PG are still with us, and they are committed to continue helping us.
It is very assuring to hear. And lastly, what message would you like to give KZN with, your intervention is very much appreciated when it comes to flooding and things like that. But with looting and things like that, it was more of negligent and a lot of uncultured behavior. What message do you have for KZN?
Yeah, the message that we have is we need to guard against vandalism. We need to protect our school facilities, because that is where we build our learners. So we can't, if we have got our disputes or whatever, we can't then destroy the school facilities, because these are the very same facilities that we need to ensure that the learners are educated and they are groomed and they are empowered. So the message is that let's not vandalize government facilities. Let's follow proper channels to register our concerns and our grievances, but do not vandalize what is already there, because it's taking, instead of us as government moving forward, we need to go back and restore what has been destroyed for no reason.
Thank you very much for your time and your intervention.
You're welcome.